So here's my attempt to try to show you what I'm up to. This is my weekly report, and yeah, pretty excited about what's happening at the moment. Working towards making some whiteboard software. Let me just demonstrate some of it happening. Cool, right? Okay, so this is towards making really nice writing on my writing software. So this has an equation, and it enables things to be rubbed out really easily when I cross them out. So in my whiteboard software, it will be completely gesture controlled, no buttons on it, no erase button, no pen button, everything according to gestures, touches, etc. It'll be very exciting when I show you more.